All right, so we're gonna walk through the ring dip and how we can use it as both a strength drill and a range of strength drill to increase range of motion. So we're gonna start with the top of the ring dip. So when we press out at the top, obviously we've got to stabilize our shoulder joint using our triceps and pulling the lats on to bring the rings in nice and close. And you can see here, he's got his hands internally rotated, which is where we spend the majority of our time. So we actually want to try and externally rotate and drive the rings down to get that scapular support and take the pressure off the upper traps, as well as obviously, you never rest yet, as well as obviously building strength through the elbow joint and the shoulder joint as well. So from there, we can come into the deep ring, the bottom hold. And what we want to focus on is allowing ourselves to get as deep as possible into that ring dip. So we actually want our thumb in our armpit, so we can actually tickle our thumb on our armpit, and it allows us to really lengthen out that pec and the bicep crossing that shoulder joint and produce force in that end range. So when we're down here, what we want to focus on is trying to squeeze our elbows together at the back. And what that does is it keeps the ears away from the shoulders and really forces us to open up through the anterior side. Now the reason why we want to catch with our thumb in our armpit is because the first few times you catch a muscle up, you're probably not going to have the strength to be able to pull to the bottom of your rib cage like you'd like to, which means you're going to be catching as deep in that ring dip as your body allows you, which means you want to have that strength there to be able to press out. So now we're going to tie it together. We've got the bottom of the ring dip and the top of the ring dip. So we start at the top, we go down until our thumb hits our armpit, then we press out at the top, open the palms and extend the body so we've got a nice straight line of motion.